Hey, it's Lars Hauwert here. Welcome to this video. So, in order to become very successful with e-commerce, you only need to focus on three things. And all the other stuff is just noise, it's distraction, it's just stuff that makes you feel like you're busy and you're progressing, but you're actually not. So, I'll dissect these three things for you. So, if you don't know who I am yet, I'm Lars. I've built my own e-commerce store to around $9 million in sales. It was called Nancy Home Store. And now I'm helping other e-commerce entrepreneurs to essentially do the same thing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the three things that you need to master are, first of all, getting attention on your store. Then secondly, converting that attention. And then thirdly, following up to make as many people as possible buy from you. So I'll break them down for you one by one. So first of all, getting attention we do typically by running ads. It's the quickest and most effective way, in my experience, to get a lot of qualified people on your website that are interested in your product. So simply, no traffic is no sales. I don't care how good of a product you have. I don't care how unique it is, how amazing it looks. If nobody sees it, nobody will buy it, right? So some people overthink building their website and having a good product while they haven't gotten a single visitor on their website yet. So if you spend more than 2 weeks on building your website and you're still not getting people on your store, then you're essentially wasting time. You just need to get people on that website. But you don't just need any attention, you need, of course, relevant attention. So that's why I always run Google and Meta ads. So these two platforms are very easy to get qualified people from on your website. So for Google ads, of course, there's a lot of search intent behind that traffic. So you can target exact search terms that people have searched to basically reach your website. So that's the very straightforward way to get started and works really well. Then when it comes to meta ads, they just have such advanced algorithms and probably AI that can interpret what your product is, and then that way finding people that are looking for that exact product. So that's why meta ads has become a really easy way as well to get relevant people on your website that are interested in your product. So that's job number one, just getting attention of relevant and qualified people on your website. Then the second step is to convert that attention, right? Which all comes down to having a good product and having an amazing website, an optimized website. So the fact of the matter is that once a person lands on your website and they're not convinced right away, they'll probably leave and never come back again. So you only have one shot with most people. So you have to make sure that your product is good, that your product images are looking good as well, which you can all do with AI nowadays. So use a tool like Clade.ai, or Google also has their own native AI at this point that can generate images and videos for you. And just put all the different conversion rate elements in place, conversion rate increasing elements. Some I've already discussed on my channel before, so feel free to check out some other videos on this subject. But secondly, you definitely need to put a lot of time in to get your website to a good level, that it's having a good conversion rate when you're sending people there. So this might take you quite a couple days, like to build a complete website from scratch. It might take you a week or two of like sitting down every day and working on it, especially if you haven't done this before many times yet. Then definitely like take a good amount of time for this. I would say 1 to 2 weeks, you should be able to get this done. So, and then the third step is the follow-up, which a lot of people miss. It's email and SMS flows. So this means that, for example, when a person lands on your website, that they see a welcome pop-up with an offer in there. And then when a person leaves their email address, then we send them an email with the coupon code. And same for SMS, we send it as well through SMS if they leave their phone number as well. And then we also need to have abandoned cart and abandoned checkout flows just to make people that almost bought come back to us and make them buy from us again. And if you're starting out, or you can even do this when you're established, if you want to go the extra mile and get more people to buy from you, you can even call up your abandoned checkouts. Because if you think about it, those people already almost bought from you. They added it to cart, they added all their personal details to the checkout, and they just didn't proceed to pay yet. But honestly, it's really effective to call up abandoned checkouts and to still get them over the edge to buy from you. So that's it. Traffic, conversion, follow up. I would structure my whole day focused on these three elements. Think about all the different tasks that you're doing in your day and think how they're contributing to any of these 3 points. And it might also be that you're focused on one of those 3 points, but you're still delaying the process by, for example, endlessly tweaking your website. So go ahead and fix that. Make sure you're only spending your time during your days on these 3 tasks and you will win. So thank you so much for your attention. Let me know if you have any questions about this in the comments down below. Also, there's a link in the description talking a bit about how we help e-commerce stores grow essentially. I don't care if you click it or not. I just hope you get a ton of value out of this video and you start to structure your day more productively and more effectively to grow your brand. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.